Yes my people, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be a bit of different from what we normally do. We'll be reviewing this 4-in-1 pole hedge trimmer and chainsaw from NETTA. Normally we are DeWalt guys, but you'll see from the summer house build we've had some problems with the battery powered chainsaws. I'll be doing some hedge cutting today, Jason will be doing some thicker branches, so at the very end we'll be leaving a further review on how it performed. This will be an honest review. We've paid £160 out of our own pocket for this, so if it is terrible we'll let you know. This will be the first time we would have took it out of the box. The only thing we've done previously was remove the battery, pull it on charge so I can use that in a few minutes. Apparently the battery life is 50 minutes, so we'll let you know if that is correct or not. This is the extension pole, very lightweight, extends pretty easy. We have the chainsaw, which has an 11cm blade. The chainsaw does not come with its own chainsaw oil, so you've had to buy that separately, which you'll have to do for yourself as well. Now we have the hedge cutter itself, obviously with a safety guard. This comes with a 41cm blade, very fresh. I'll be jumping out the front to use the hedge trimmer, which does have a two-way safety trigger to stop you from chopping your own fingers off. Just a quick example of the extension pole, it does have different angles that we can use, so just pop in the button here and you can change the angles or just slot in the chainsaw, which is pretty simple, self-explanatory. It does have a locking pin at the bottom, tighten that and then you're ready to go. Jason will be using the chainsaw to tackle a few thicker branches out the back. Stay tuned to the end to see how they've both performed and if it's worth the buy. Without further ado, let's crack on. Right, I'm back in already. I literally spent about a minute using this thing, thought it was me doing something wrong, retried again, and it will not even cut through the thinnest of bushes. So do yourself a favour, do not buy, don't waste your money. We're going to put in a clip of how bad this performed, if we can even call it performance. Even that. Oh god, it won't cut through that, bro. Oh my days. We're gonna wipe it down, package it up, send it back because we're not dealing with this. Get ourselves a refund, £160 back in our pocket. We will put that towards something we're more familiar with. And on that note, my people, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one when we do another review on a better product.